guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and today's video is actually a special video. It's my first collaboration ever, and it's in collaboration with Dossier perfumes, and I will be doing an unboxing of their perfumes, and they were kind enough to send me 2 perfumes, which I will be going over with you guys. But just to explain a little bit about the brand, they are a clean and cruelty-free brand. They use clean ingredients in their products. Their perfumes are also inspired by big name brand perfumes that you'll see right now, but these are a lot more affordable compared to the other perfumes. And with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. So the first one is in the scent Floral Pear, and this is what the boxes look like. It's very simple, very nice, clean, and it has the name of the brand right here, Dossier. And when you first open it, you'll see that, you know, the intent's actually like red. It looks orange in the video, but it's red. It says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. And it comes with a little card, and on the back it explains about the perfume. So the Floral Pear has top notes of pear, bergamot, watermelon, rhubarb. The middle notes are quince, correct me if I'm wrong, I probably butchered that, rose, freesia, orange blossom, and the base notes are woody notes, musk, and amber. And it's inspired by the Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia cologne. And it says that concentration is 18%. And their mission is actually to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Which is actually nice because this one, the Floral Pear one, retails for $29. And what's also pretty cool is that they'll send you a little sample size of the perfume to try out first before you try out the big bottle, since you do order it online. Just in case you don't like it, you can send it back and get your money, get your full money back. But yeah, this is the scent Floral Pear. This is what the bottle looks like, and they all look like this. So you come in a clear glass bottle, very clean, very minimal. And it tells you the notes, you know, the top, middle, and base notes. This one retails for $29, and it's the Jo Malone inspired one. It's the Jo Malone English Pear and Freesia cologne. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. It also smells very fruity. I can like smell the pear. It also has watermelon in here, which is actually pretty cool. But you can smell the pear. Like, it also smells florally, you know, like very nice and airy at the same time. But also you can also get like that hint of like the musky, like the woody note. So it smells really nice and airy and light. It's not like super overpowering to the point where you'll get a headache. I feel like this is perfect. But yeah, this one retails for $29, and this is the Floral Pear. And it also, you know, like I said, comes with the sample, so you can try it out before you try out the big bottle. In case you don't like it, you can just return it. So the next one is the Floral Rose, and it's also, you know, same box, also comes with a little card that tells you the notes. So this one is inspired by the Le Babo Rose 31 Eau de Parfum. And the top notes are rose, centifolia, cumin. Middle notes are vetiver, incense, cedarwood. And then the base notes are musk, cistus, and amber. So I'm gonna, again, comes with a little sample, and I believe all the perfumes that you order from their website will come with a sample. So this one smells a lot more like musky, and I can smell the amber in there, and like a little bit of the rose. So yeah, this one is a lot, you know, more musk-y than the other one compared to the other one that we just reviewed. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. The bottle looks the same, clear glass bottle, very minimal. Again, tells you the notes and the name of the perfume. This one is the Floral Rose. But as you can see, like, their bottles are very minimal, which also helps keep the cost down, makes them affordable. And this one actually retails for $39. There are a few different price points in their perfumes, but I feel like $39 is not a lot compared to other perfumes that can be expensive, especially like, for example, the one that this is inspired by. That one tends to be a lot more. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray it. This one smells really good. I feel like I would wear this one for like a night out. It's like I can smell the musk and the amber in there. I do get a hint of the rose. So this one, the Floral Rose, which is inspired by the Le Babo Rose 31. I feel like this one would be perfect for like a night out since it does have more of that, you can smell more of that musk and amber. And the Floral Pear, which is inspired by the Joe Malone English Pear and Freesia cologne. I would use this one for like an everyday activity, you know, going to work, you know, running errands, just more like an everyday during the day kind of thing, because I feel like the base notes on this one are a lot lighter, and also the top notes are a lot lighter, a lot fruity, a lot floral compared to the other one. So that's just me. I like to have different options when it comes to fragrances, and also I do love their packaging, very minimal like I've said. But on their website they have tons and tons and tons of fragrances for women, for men, unisex fragrances. I believe the Floral Pear was a unisex one. It smells really amazing. And I'm honestly impressed by the price points. This one was $29, the Floral Pear was $29, and the Floral Rose was $39, which isn't bad. It's actually amazing. And Dossier was also kind enough to give me a code for you guys, so you guys can check their perfumes out, and it's Yvonne10. I will also be leaving the link down below in case you're interested in checking it out. But like I said, they're super affordable, so you know, if you want to give them a try. And it's also a risk-free because they come with a little sample. Where did I leave it? Comes with a little sample that you can try out first. And if you don't like it, just return it. You get your money back. No, you know, it's really easy. So you can try a lot of fragrances, and if you don't like them, just return it, because you know, you try out the little sample first before you try out the big one. And like I said, they use clean and cruelty-free ingredients in their products and their perfumes. Oh my god, like the room just smells really good right now. So with that being said, I will be linking everything down below in case you're interested in checking them out. I'm super excited because this was my first collaboration with anyone. Thank you, Dossier, for giving me this little opportunity. And if you have any questions about the perfume, please comment down below. I would be more than happy to answer any question for you. But with that being said, if you liked this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.